Pooja Khedkar, an IAS probationer, finds herself embroiled in controversy following allegations of misconduct and fraudulent practices related to her entry into the Indian Administrative Service. The situation unfolded with several serious accusations leveled against her, prompting significant scrutiny and legal action. Firstly, Khedkar is accused of manipulating her identity and exploiting reservation quotas to secure an advantageous position in the highly competitive civil services exam. The Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) has taken decisive steps, filing a First Information Report (FIR) against her and issuing a show-cause notice to potentially cancel her candidature from the exam. These allegations include falsely claiming disabilities and misusing the other backward class quota. Actions that, if proven, would represent a serious breach of ethical standards and legal regulations governing civil service recruitment. Despite achieving a respectable All India rank of 821 in the UPSC exams, Khedkar's career trajectory has been marred by these allegations. Reports indicate she was posted in Pune but faced additional accusations of misusing her authority by demanding special privileges such as a separate cabin and staff accommodations. Further complicating matters, Khedkar reportedly utilized unauthorized vehicle modifications, including a red beacon light and unauthorized government insignia on her car, which have added to the controversy surrounding her conduct. The developments surrounding Pooja Khedkar highlight broader concerns regarding integrity and transparency in public service recruitment. The UPSC's swift response underscores its commitment to upholding the sanctity of examination processes and ensuring fair opportunities for all aspirants. These incidents serve as a stark reminder of the importance of adherence to rules and regulations in maintaining the credibility of administrative appointments and fostering public trust in governmental institutions. As the investigations proceed and legal proceedings unfold, Pooja Khedkar faces a critical juncture in her career, with the outcomes likely to have significant implications for her future in public service and the broader discourse on governance and accountability in India.